Your email is the key to your online life, and if it gets hacked, it can lead to serious trouble. But many people don't even realize their email has been compromised. In this video, I'll share the signs that your email is hacked, how to check for leaks, and what to do next. Let's dive into the quickest way to find out if your email has been breached. First, look for these red flags: a password that suddenly doesn't work, unfamiliar login alerts, or sent messages you didn't send. If you see any of these signs, don't panic. We'll fix it together, step by step. Next, check if your email was exposed in a data breach by visiting havibeenpenetrati.com. Just enter your email, and it'll tell you if your info has been compromised. A green result is good, but a red one means your password might be in hacker databases. Being in a breach doesn't mean you're hacked, but it's time to change that password. First, secure your device by running a scan with Windows Defender or Malwarebytes. If your device is compromised, changing your password won't help. Next, create a new email password that's at least 16 characters long, with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Using a password manager can make this easier. Options like 1Password or Bitwarden are great. Then enable two-factor authentication or 2FA for extra security. Use an authenticator app instead of SMS codes for better protection. Now let's remove any unauthorized access to your email. In Gmail or Outlook, go to Security and sign out of all devices you don't recognize. After that, remove any unknown connected apps and reset your recovery options. To prevent future hacks, never reuse passwords across sites. A password manager can help you generate unique passwords for every login. Always enable 2FA on all your accounts, including social media and banking. Be cautious of phishing attempts. Always check the website address before logging in. Your email is your digital identity. Protect it like you would your house keys. If your email gets hacked, remember these steps. Secure your device, change your password, enable 2FA, and remove unauthorized access. These actions will help stop attackers and keep your accounts safe in the future.